Hi, I'm Krista Courtney, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for July 8th. There's still time. Come join the discussion in a team member forum with David Strong, President and CEO, and Dr. Jamal Hakeem, Chief Operating Officer, to discuss our team member and physician survey results and explore how Orlando Health will become recognized as an amazing place to work. Sessions are being held throughout the organization. Check Swift for the schedule. An innovative tap-and-go technology to access patient data with a swipe of your ID badge will begin installation at Orlando Health, revolutionizing how clinicians access patient records. All physicians, nurses, and clinicians will receive access via their ID badges to a Tap-a-Badge reader at a workstation and access their patient's information and profiles. Team members can enroll their badges on registration workstations on their units beginning July 6th. Check Swift for your hospital's registration and installation schedule. This next story recognizes Carlos Diaz, a nursing assistant in the emergency department at Orlando Health ORMC. Carlos voluntarily escorted an elderly dementia patient back to home in Kentucky on a commercial flight when nobody else was available.
We made arrangements for a nursing home for him to live in, arranged transportation, and the last piece was making sure we had somebody to fly with him because he wasn't safe to fly by himself. I was desperate. I had nobody to fly with the patient, and I came down here knowing Carlos was working and that he had a big heart and he would do it. So at 9:18 I got his ID, and at 12:22 he was leaving the hospital to fly with the patient.
Carlos went above and beyond to care for a patient. Today we'd like to congratulate Carlos, who was recently honored as the 3rd Orlando Health Champion, a nomination that was confirmed by the Team Member Advisory Council.
Carlos is definitely an Orlando Health Champion, just for going above and beyond, taking time away from his job, his family, and taking care of a patient the way he would want someone to take care of one of his family members. Sometimes
you need to give somebody else a pat on the back and thank them for going above and beyond, and that's what we can do in Applause Central.
Leaders, if you know of a team member who should be named a champion, nominate them today through Applause Central. Recently, an event was held to celebrate the completion of the renovation of the historic Orlando Amtrak Station. Team members came out to the event featuring speakers such as Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer and Orlando Health President and CEO David Strong.
We not only restored and preserved this building, but it also helped us improve the accessibility to the Amtrak station for our residents and the connectivity to the Sunrail station, which is located here within walking distance of Orlando Health.
Last week I found a quote that I think fits today in this building very well. It says, "At its best, preservation engages the past with the present over mutual concern for the future." And I think certainly holding on to a treasure like this station engages the past with the present and sets us up well for the future.
Built in 1926, the Amtrak station at Orlando Health continues to be a major transportation hub, serving the entire Central Florida region. That's it for today's edition. For the Orlando Health News Review, I'm Krista Courtney.